That's a 3/4 inch pie, and then you get the dice out, put the dice in, one die in, and then you put it against the pie, and then put another die in and push the pin in. Now lock this, just need to lock it very lightly, doesn't need to lock. Now you can go and have a look at the dice, see how it's closing as I push it slowly. Now you see how it's closed? Here I can feel it tight. Don't over crimp it because you'll damage the tube. But as long as all the dice close, you see the dice close on this side and on that side, if you can see them, it's all close. You can feel it. You can feel it. Look, it doesn't go any further. See, doesn't go any further. Only use your hand and feel it, and that's finished. Now release it, lock it. There you lock it, so open. Now that is crimp finish. You see, that is a perfect crimp. You see, like you got all the marks in there, the crimping mark. You can see it, so you can check it afterwards. Thank you very much.